Hi guys, this is Mike of Hashtag TV. Andito tayo ngayon sa Hashtag Coffee to introduce to you new products, new food, bagong menu that we can offer sa ating dalawang branches ng Hashtag Coffee. Sa Hashtag Coffee Outlets Lipa and Hashtag Coffee Plumeria. So, without further ado, ito ang ating kakwentuhan ngayon, si Chef Mara Sako.
Hi guys!
Okay, Chef, ano bang gagawin natin today?
Eto sir, maghahalo tayo. Talk show.
Talk show, okay. So on our talk show, i-introduce natin yung mga bago nating products. I'm sure na-enjoy ng mga customers natin yung drinks natin, yung mga food and beverages na i-offer natin 2 years ago. So ngayon, magti 3 years na si Hashtag. Meron na ang mga favorite ang mga customers natin like egg drop sandwich, yung ating mga pasta. Our bestseller is really pasta because we have a wide range of pasta. And this time, we are offering more than yung meron tayong 5 to 6 pasta servings before. Right now, we have 10. 10 na yung magiging pasta natin. Alright, so etong isang to, Chef,
Eto muna.
how do we call these burgers? Maliliit siyang burgers, mini burgers.
This is a Wagyu Sliders Beef Burger with truffle fries on the side and konting salad. Ito kasi sir, premium yung Wagyu Beef Burger na ginagamit natin dito. Tapos, ang gamit natin na bread is brioche.
Brioche bread.
Para
Okay.
naman quality din yung bread na isi-serve natin sa kanila.
Okay, that's good. So, I think kids will really love this kasi para siyang
And the dipping sauce is blue cheese.
blue
dressing,
cheese yung
yes.
ating dipping sauce.
Oo.
So, ito yon. Alright. And then we have yung french fries that we offer is
This is
Truffle.
a truffle fries, homemade.
okay. So, tayong
Tayong
Hashtag
gumagawa.
mismo ang gumagawa niyan. It's not bought. So, it's locally grown potatoes. And then we are the ones who produce it.
Freshly
Fresh
homemade.
siya and Philippine made. All right. So yun. Thank you for the introduction of this
Wagyu Sliders Beef Burger.
Wagyu Sliders beef burger. Okay. So it's made of Wagyu beef. So
Premium Wagyu
it's
beef.
something that's unique. I would say hashtag lang meron yan dito sa Batangas. Okay, thank you. Next tayo.
Next, meron tayo. Actually, madami tayong pasta na nagawa kanina. Kaso lang, nakain na nila dun sa food sa mga bisita natin.
Alright.
So, ang natira na lang
I think na-enjoy nila.
namin, seafood marinara, seafood aglio olio, and eto bago din to, truffle cream pasta with grilled chicken. Ito yung bago din sa menu namin, at saka ito. Actually,
this
madami
is the
kaming bago. Truffle cream pasta with grilled chicken.
With grilled chicken. So, right now, ang pasta natin is more on dinagdagan na natin ng meat.
Oo.
Not just, kasi mostly ang pasta is just pasta and the sauce has the meat on it. But this one is different kasi
May grilled chicken.
may
siya.
toppings na siya na grilled chicken. So, I tried it kanina and that is really good. Kumbaga, ako kasi gusto ko yung, on all the food that I eat, mahilig kasi ako sa barbecue, sa sangyup, yung bang smoky flavor. This one, itong grilled chicken truffle cream pasta. So, haba, no? I think it deserves that name kasi talagang it has all the premium ingredients all together in one pasta. So, and then on the side, there's
Garlic bread.
garlic bread. Okay. Ano ba? Mahirap yung garlic bread. Mahirap banggitin. Okay?
Ito, seafood marinara.
Seafood marinara. Okay?
Oo. Ano siya, tomato base. Yung ano niya, yung sauce niya. Tapos, meron tayong nakalagay, may seafood to, merong clams, shrimp, and squid.
Okay. So, meron siyang squid, meron siyang shrimp,
And squid. Yung clams.
may clams, and then yung special sauce, of course,
Yung
Italian sauce. And then, siyempre, may herbs, and then may cheese, and then the
May mga
pasta
secret, ano yan?
the pasta that we use is not an ordinary pasta. It's okay? So, yun yung seafood marinara. Okay.
Ito,
This is marinara and then it's red sauce.
red sauce.
Okay.
Tomato base.
Tomato based siya. So this one naman,
This one is seafood alio olio. Ang ano niya lang, ang base na lang is oil base na madaming garlic. Kasi pag sinabing alio olio, it's more on a garlic side. Puro
More-
garlic siya.
it's more garlic and
Oo.
oil. The olive oil that, so we use olive oil on our pasta. We know that olive oil is isa sa pinaka-premium na oil when it comes
Pag garlic
to,
lover ka, ito ang para sa'yo.
yes, for garlic lover, and if you want yung ma-experience yung olive oil, and then the seafood is there, then you have an option to twist it with some lemon para to balance the taste. And then black olives, and then we have also the
Clams, seafood, ano ba to? Shrimp, and squid.
okay. Meron din tayong
Garlic bread.
garlic bread. Again, that's very very special garlic bread. Okay.
Oh, next
So
natin.
also we have this. Ito naman is made by our pastry chef. We have flavor, chocolate flavor and caramel flavor na
Muffins.
muffins. So you should try this also. Kasi pagkatapos nating kumain, after the beef,
Dessert.
after the protein, we have the dessert. You can also enjoy our drinks. Chef, alin naman gusto mo dyan sa dalawa?
Hindi kasi ako mahilig sa matcha, sir. Kaya ito sa akin.
Ay, that's dark choco. So,
Oo.
ako naman, I have favorites with hashtag coffee, but itong strawberry and matcha flavor is something unique, something that you can try. Yung matcha namin is, I would say, we can really be proud of. Then yung strawberry flavors natin, the different from the market, it came from Taiwan. Yung aming matcha, yung aming strawberry. And then the dark choco,
Dark chocolate. Dark
dark
chocolate.
chocolate, okay.
Ako, ang favorite ko sa drinks yung roasted almond.
Roasted almond, bakit yun ang favorite mo?
Hindi kasi siya matamis.
Hindi siya matamis. Oh,
Tapos,
yes.
masarap yung lasa niya. Para sa akin.
So yung tapos na,
Yung tapang, yung almond flavor.
yung almond flavor, nandun talaga.
Yung nutty flavor ng ano.
Okay. So ayun guys, we will introduce, so watch out or please like and subscribe our channel, hashtag coffee. You can email us at hashtag coffeeph@gmail.com for any concerns, for franchising. You can also be part of you can become an endorser. You can also be a regular customers. We have a working stations, co-working space offered by hashtag coffee. One of our trademark is we have fast and reliable fiber internet on our restaurants or our big branches. And ano pa ba? Yun nga, comfortable seating, you have power outlets that you can charge and utilize your phone. So hashtag coffee is for productivity. So this is again Mike of hashtag TV. See you again next time. Hashtag coffee.
Bye!
Bye! See you guys.